Hello, everyone.
Welcome to our English Learning Podcast.
Today, we will learn 100 useful English words about family and people.
This lesson is perfect for beginners.
I will say the English word.
I will read one easy example sentence using that word.
Day 26, English Vocabulary Practice, words 2,501 to 2,600. Academic achievement.
She celebrated her academic achievement.
Access code.
Enter the access code carefully.
Accident report.
The police completed the accident report.
Account balance.
I checked my account balance.
Action plan.
We created an action plan.
Active member.
He is an active member of the club.
Activity center.
The children visited the activity center.
Additional fee.
There is an additional fee.
Advanced course.
She enrolled in an advanced course.
Advertising campaign.
The advertising campaign increased sales.
Airport terminal.
Meet me at the airport terminal.
Annual report.
The company released its annual report.
Application form.
Please complete the application form.
Appointment schedule.
Check your appointment schedule.
Art exhibition.
We visited the art exhibition.
Assistant teacher.
The assistant teacher helped the students.
Athletic competition.
The athletic competition begins tomorrow.
Automatic payment.
I use automatic payment every month.
Available seat.
There is one available seat.
Banking service.
Online banking services are convenient.
Battery charger.
My battery charger is broken.
Beach resort.
We stayed at a beach resort.
Beginning level.
This class is for the beginning level.
Bicycle helmet.
Always wear a bicycle helmet.
Boarding pass.
Keep your boarding pass ready.
Booking confirmation.
I received the booking confirmation.
Business conference.
She attended a business conference.
Business partner.
My business partner is trustworthy.
Calendar reminder.
I set a calendar reminder.
Career opportunity.
This job is a great career opportunity.
Cash register.
The cashier used the cash register.
Charging station.
The charging station is nearby.
Childhood memory.
I have a happy childhood memory.
Clean energy.
Solar power provides clean energy.
Climate conditions.
Climate conditions vary by region.
Clothing store.
We visited a clothing store.
Coffee shop.
We met at a coffee shop.
Communication device.
The communication device works well.
Company meeting.
The company meeting lasted an hour.
Computer program.
I installed a new computer program.
Construction site.
The construction site is busy.
Consumer product.
This consumer product is popular.
Customer feedback.
Customer feedback helps businesses improve.
Daily routine.
Exercise is part of my daily routine.
Data collection.
Data collection takes time.
Delivery truck.
The delivery truck arrived early.
Dental clinic.
I visited the dental clinic.
Digital document.
Save the digital document.
Dining room.
Dinner is ready in the dining room.
Driving license.
Always carry your driving license.
Education system.
The education system is improving.
Electric vehicle.
Electric vehicles are becoming popular.
Emergency exit.
Follow the emergency exit signs.
Employment contract.
I signed my employment contract.
Engineering degree.
He earned an engineering degree.
Environmental issue.
Pollution is an environmental issue.
Equipment manual.
Read the equipment manual first.
Exercise equipment.
The gym has new exercise equipment.
Family vacation.
We enjoyed our family vacation.
Financial advisor.
The financial advisor gave helpful advice.
First aid.
She learned first aid.
Fitness program.
The fitness program lasts 12 weeks.
Flight attendant.
The flight attendant served drinks.
Food delivery.
Food delivery is convenient.
Foreign country.
She traveled to a foreign country.
Fuel economy.
This car has good fuel economy.
Furniture store.
We bought a table at the furniture store.
Garden tool.
I need a new garden tool.
Government office.
Visit the government office tomorrow.
Grocery store.
We shop at the grocery store weekly.
Guest room.
The guest room is upstairs.
Health condition.
His health condition improved.
Health education.
Schools teach health education.
Highway traffic.
Highway traffic was heavy today.
Historical site.
We visited a historical site.
Home improvement.
They started a home improvement project.
Hotel lobby.
Meet me in the hotel lobby.
Human body.
Exercise strengthens the human body.
Identity card.
Show your identity card.
Insurance policy.
Read your insurance policy carefully.
Internet service.
Our internet service is fast.
Investment account.
She opened an investment account.
Job interview.
My job interview went well.
Kitchen appliance.
The kitchen appliance is easy to use.
Language learner.
Every language learner needs practice.
Learning experience.
It was a valuable learning experience.
Library book.
Return the library book tomorrow.
Living expenses.
Living expenses are increasing.
Local restaurant.
We ate at a local restaurant.
Machine learning.
Machine learning is changing technology.
Maintenance worker.
The maintenance worker repaired the elevator.
Medical examination.
My medical examination was normal.
Meeting agenda.
Please review the meeting agenda.
Mobile phone.
My mobile phone needs charging.
Mountain village.
The mountain village is peaceful.
Music festival.
We enjoyed the music festival.
Natural disaster.
The town recovered from the natural disaster.
Office manager.
The office manager approved the request.
Online payment.
Online payment saves time.
Personal achievement.
Graduating was a personal achievement.
Excellent job.
Today, you learned another 100 English words.
Practice these words every day.
Listen, repeat, and speak with confidence.
Thank you for learning with us.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our next English lesson.
We'll see you on day 27.
Goodbye and happy learning!